Welcome, scholars. We are doing review part 16. We are so close. I want you to look at kinetic energy. Okay, this should be pretty short and sweet. So this is a pretty basic concept. Imagine that I tell you I have, I don't know, seems like car is the object that I kind of go to. Let's say I've got a car, all right, and I tell you that the kinetic energy of this car is, I don't know, let's say 22,000 joules. What happens if I triple the mass of the vehicle? What's the new value of the kinetic energy? This might sound tricky, but it's not. I want to look at just this portion here. So what I've told you on this question, okay, is that the 1/2 mv squared of the vehicle equals 22,000. Now I'm asking you to do what to the mass? I'm asking you to triple it. So instead of having just 1m, right, that's just a 1m, now I'm going to rewrite that as having a 3m. And I'll go ahead and just use a purple again. Okay, scholars, what was the only thing that I changed over here? I put in a 3, right? And it's just a 3. So if that equals that, and I multiply this by 3, what do I need to do over here? In fact, why don't I let you go ahead and tell me what is the answer to this question? Go ahead and put that in now. Okay, boom. I'm hoping that you guys put down 66,000 joules. Second question. Instead of tripling the mass, what if instead now I have you triple the speed? Okay, so now what I'm going to do, instead of tripling the mass, I'm going to have you triple the speed. Let's go back to our original equation, which was 1/2 mv squared equals 22,000. What am I tripling here? The v. So let me move this up. Instead of putting in just a plain v, this time I'm putting in 3 times v. What's my answer? I'm going to go ahead and make this a multiple choice question, so answer that one now. Do you notice on here something happens? This 3 was just a plain number. It's not, there's no square attributed to it or anything like that. So when I put in the 3 here, I'm really doing what? You know, I'm like putting the 3 there, I'm just putting a 3 times there. Problem. When I put in a 3 here, that gets squared. So it's really like putting in a 9 right there and a 9 right there. So what ends up happening is I get 198 joules. That increased a lot more than just 3 times. You see the difference? One is actually increasing 3 times. The other is actually increasing, 9 times. Why is that? Because the V is squared. The M is not. So let's look at the equation one last time. Okay. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared. That is important to understand. And that's it. You like that? Yay!